Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with branch deep links for mobile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing with branch deep links for mobile, first, ensure you have the branch SDK integrated into your app. Open your project in your preferred development environment. Locate the configuration file for branch, typically named branch config or similar. Add your branch key and other necessary credentials to this configuration file. Next, ensure that your app can handle deep links by modifying the app manifest. Add the appropriate intent filters to your Android manifest.xml for Android. For iOS, ensure you have configured the URL types in your info.plist. Now that your app can handle deep links, move on to user authentication. Implement the user authentication flow, which can involve signing in with an email or social media account. Once a user is authenticated, retrieve the user ID or token from your authentication service. With the user ID or token available, you can initiate the deep link process. Create a deep link using the branch SDK by invoking the appropriate method. Set the parameters you want to include in the deep link, such as the user ID or referral information. After creating the deep link, make sure to call the branch's checkout or redirect methods as needed. Now, when your app receives a deep link, you must validate the user's authorization status. Implement logic to check if the user is authenticated when opening the deep link. If the user is authorized, proceed to handle the deep link and navigate to the desired content. If not authorized, redirect the user to the login screen or provide a suitable message. Finally, test the entire flow to ensure deep links work seamlessly for authorized users. Your app should now be fully equipped to handle branch deep links with user authorization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.